So today is Friday, September 20th, and today is the day that BattleBots Faceoffs starts. Now, Tombstone's not fighting today, but, just so I can go check it out and kind of see how they're going to be doing stuff, I'm going to go ahead and fly out to Vegas and watch some of my fellow builders and see how things are going to go. So here I am at the Sacramento airport, enjoying an overpriced sandwich before I get on the plane, and I'm going to head off to Vegas and watch some robot fights. Instead of my more usual technical videos, this one is going to be filmed in more builder blog style, which means, it's going to be kind of like Gangnam style, but instead of dancing funny, I'm going to talk funny. The BattleBots building is on Flamingo. It's right behind the Horseshoe and next to Ellis Island and the Platinum. So it's a pretty good sized building, and as you can see, quite a bit of parking for it. The building's pretty good size too. So this is the tool area, or I should say one of the tool areas for the BattleBots area. So we've got a big welding station over there, a lot of big machining equipment and whatnot. Pretty much everything you need to keep a robot running. The competitor pits are all laid out back here. Here's some of the Destructathon robots. The slot machine that will be slotted later. Kind of go off back over into some of the pit area for the Destructathon robots. And this is where the Destructathon robot get repaired. Champions throughout the ages. And we get over to the best one right there. Alright, not really. He's the best one, no doubt. The best seat in the house is here, in the VIP area, right in front of the arena, right under that BattleBots logo. So the lobby here at the BattleBots venue has a bunch of stuff on display. BattleBots logos everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
And we got a wonderful store here that you can buy anything that you want.
Penny?
The day's fights are done, but things in the pits never stop. That Skorpios is excited for the fight. Look at it jump up and down. Front of the building is pretty cool, and the little action shots right there. We got Tombstone and Whiplash, so hardcore approved. It's Vegas, baby.
Notice it's doing a weird thing where it doesn't like going backwards. That's okay. I don't use focus. Why is it all? Oh, you can tell in turning. All right.
matter how much fun you have on a weekend, you still have to go home eventually. So here I am, Las Vegas airport, getting ready to fly back. This was an epic weekend. You guys are gonna love those videos when they come out. There's some really good fights, and it was just fun to be here and be part of it all. Our weekend for Face-Offs is gonna be November 1st through 3rd, and so I'll be back then. And you know, if you're interested in coming out to see all the action, the tickets are available on the BattleBots website, and there'll be a link below.